Hey guys, it's Vin here. I'm doing something new today uh, with my channel. Uh, Today, before going to the gym, I'm gonna take a walk in the nature. Nature, it's a quiet place. Mind can think, get some birds, everything. It's very chill. You can see new people. I'm from Grand Falls, as New Brunswick. And what I said before in my older videos, us in Grand Falls, we have like a trail. We call it MP Trail. Uh, we walk like it's like when I was a kid. The MP Trail was not like very made, but now in the future they put some tar, everything, bike, pedal bikes, skateboard, rollerblade. Can people jog here? It's very good in the nature. And where I'm going now, it's on a bridge where you get a pub there. You can see it's very relaxed. Yeah, I'm dressed well to walk before. Today it's Labor Day here in Canada. Everything is closed, but when I'm going to the gym, I will put my uniform when I'm doing the gym, right? But here it's very quiet. You can see it's like a MP trail. Very little under the. You can see bridge, cargo there. It's very fun. At the house, they put some bench to people came here to chill. And if you me where the gym at, it's a little far from the MP trail. You can change there and jog. It will be a good workout, but now it's this it's hard to explain. um, where I walk there, you can see it's a bridge. I think long time ago got a train here. You can see the bridge. It's railing crash. I heard a story. They crashed, got that train underwater, and yeah. Now you can see. I will show you. Some people train for a competition, row boat, something like that. But you can see some bikes. They are coming, and see here. I don't want to drop my phone in the water. It's very cool. You can see the restaurant. It's a steakhouse right there. And yeah, let's see. Some people was rather a bike. Yeah, this is the bridge. What I said. Now, subscribe people, and have a good day. I'm going to the gym and finish my cardio here. Now I'm going to the gym. See things out.